Hi, I'm Anusha. I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing my exfoliating day skincare routine with you all. In my previous video, I shared the best exfoliating options to beginners and to advanced level users also. So if you have got textured skin, dark spots, tan or pigmentation, then that video will help you out. I'll leave the link in the iCard somewhere here. You can go and check that out. And in this video, I am going to be sharing my skincare routine that I'll particularly follow on the days when I am exfoliating my skin. I normally exfoliate my skin 3 times a month or 4 times a month. So it's like once in a week or once in every 10 days. So here I am sharing my exfoliating day skincare routine. The first product is of course a cleanser. I do a proper double cleansing when I am exfoliating my skin, so it will form a nice clean ground for the exfoliator to work. The first product I am going to be using is from Sugandha. This is their Squalane cleansing oil. This is my favorite cleansing oil. It has got squalane as base and it is a very lightweight oil, and I'll just take this, massage it on my skin for around 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then I'll apply water and emulsify it. It emulsifies very well and it makes skin soft in the first place. So as a second cleanser, I'll go in with, see, I pick all soothing and hydrating kind of products in the skincare routine because an exfoliator can irritate your skin. So the other products which I am using in the routine are very soothing and hydrating. The second cleanser is the Aquaporin Booster 5%. This has got a gel texture, so many humectants and hydrating kind of ingredients. It will cleanse the skin really well without making it dry or anything. So I'll use that as my second cleanser and I'll let my skin dry for around 5 to 10 minutes. Then I go in with my chemical peel, whatever I am using. So for instance, if I am using the one from Ordinary, I'll take a thin layer and apply it all on my face, avoiding the eye area, and I let it sit for around 5 to 10 minutes. Then I wash it off with plain normal water. After that I pat dry my skin, and as the fourth step I go in with my toner, hydrating kind of soothing kind of toner. Earlier I used to use this Centella toner from One Thing, but I emptied that one, so now I am using this. Even I like this toner very much. This is more hydrating than the One Thing one, and it is a soothing product also. So it is hydrating as well as soothing. So I use this immediately after using the Ordinary one. After toner, then I'll go for a soothing serum. I'm using the one from Isntree. It is their Spot Saver Mugwort Ampoule. Mugwort is the main ingredient in this product, and this serum is also very soothing. It is very lightweight, soothing, and it calms down itch very well. So that's the reason why I choose to use this product in my chemical exfoliation routine. So yeah, I use this product. Then as the final step, I go in with a thick ceramide based soothing kind of moisturizer. For that, the best fit would be from Minimalist. It is their ceramides 0.3% plus bisballol moisturizer. It has got 0.3% pure ceramides. It is not ceramide complex, it is ceramides itself. And we have got bisballol, which is an active component of chamomile, which is known for soothing the skin. And it has also got many soothing ingredients like oat kernel extract, cica extract, and we have got a lot of humectants also. So this is like the ultimate soothing kind of moisturizer. It just hydrates the skin, it moisturizes the skin, and it soothes the skin very well. So I apply like a thick layer of this product and I'll go to sleep very happily. And the next day also I don't use actives like vitamin C or BHAs because I don't want to irritate my skin further. So I'll just keep the next day routine also very simple. I use the soothing products, like majorly these products only I'll use the next day also, and I'll wear a sunscreen, that's for sure. Yeah, so that's my exfoliating day skincare routine. I'm wrapping up today's video here. If you enjoy watching it, please hit that like button. Also share this video with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.